I've heard some Prime Video fans complaining that the subscription fee for Prime Video has gone up to $14.99 per month. If you don't want to cover such a fee every month, try following this video to learn a few ways to get an Amazon Prime Video free trial. First, anyone can sign up for a 30-day Amazon Prime Video free trial. Visit the official Amazon Prime website, click on Start Your Free 30-day trial, and then follow the instructions to sign up and get the free version successfully. Besides, if you are aged 18 to 24 or an enrolled student, you can get a 6-month free trial of Amazon Prime Video. To achieve it, jump to the Prime Student sign-up page, submit your personal information, and then wait for the notice of successful sign-up. But remember to cancel your subscription before it expires, or fees will be charged automatically. So how can you continue watching Amazon Prime videos after the expiration? I'd say MovePilot All-in-One Video Downloader is the perfect tool to rip Prime videos to any of your devices. It is a professional video downloader to keep Amazon Prime videos forever in full HD 1080p as MP4 or MKV format. Follow me to see how it works. First, launch MovePilot All-in-One Video Downloader and sign into your Amazon Prime account to access the Prime video sources. Then, search for Amazon Prime videos in the search box here, either by keywords or URL. Before downloading, you can choose the output format as HD 1080p and MP4 or MKV file on this settings page. Select the original video and audio quality as well. If you want to download a whole series, simply tick the episodes you want. MovePilot will batch download them at 5 times faster speed. It will take seconds, and you can enjoy the downloads offline at any time without worrying about expiration. Now, you can enjoy Prime videos as you do in its official software. With MovePilot, free yourself from the burden of Amazon Prime Video subscriptions, and this is how you can get them for free. Don't hesitate and hit this link to try MovePilot right now.